Hi guys, so I'm coming at you with a new video today. I am doing a Ipsy versus Boxycharm for the month of February. I am super late. I just haven't had time to sit down and film this, so I wanted to just show you what I got in my Ipsy and in my Boxycharm, and you can tell me down below in the comment section which one you think is better this month. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the Ipsy box. This is for the month of February, and it is called Hey Ipsters, and this little packet tells you everything you have in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and set that off to the side for a minute, and I'll just go ahead and show you what I have. So the first thing I have here is from It Cosmetics. This is a It Cosmetics, I think it's a foundation brush. Let me go ahead and check my little pamphlet here to make sure. It is an It Cosmetics Heavily Luxe Flat Top Buffing Foundation Brush. So this is definitely a foundation brush. I'm always excited to get brushes, but I'm really happy that they have sent us an It Cosmetics brush. As you know, It Cosmetics is super pricey. So this brush is actually $48. So this is a really nice addition to this box. All right. The next thing we have in the box is from NYX. It is Professional Makeup Street Cheeks Blush Palette. And it looks like this, and it looks like you get 8 different blushes in there. They're pinks and peaches and some mauve colors in here. It looks like they have some mattes and some shimmer type of ones, so that's really nice. This is a $20 value if you pick this up at the retail store. I will not be opening any of the products that I have because I'm still not sure if I want to keep them. I'm just going to go through them and tell you what I have. All right, so the next thing I have here is from Tarte, and it says Dream Big. This looks like a Double Duty Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's a $30 value eyeshadow palette from Tarte. Everybody knows that Tarte does have pretty darn good eyeshadows, so I'm really excited that they have decided to put this in the package this month. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. There's all the colors. Let me make sure it's in frame. There we go. Very pretty. It looks like we've got 2 mattes, and the rest are just shimmer glitters. So you have like this dark brown that's a matte, and then you have this like lighter color down here that's a matte as well. And then that one has a lot of glitter. These ones are just shimmers, and that's a shimmer as well. So this is actually a really pretty palette. This would be a really pretty palette for somebody that's just starting out with makeup, or that just likes really neutral colors and just wants something really quick. It'd be really easy to take and travel with since it's so tiny. So that's a really cute, and that is a $30 value. All right, I've got 2 more items in here. Okay, so the next thing I have is, it's either Lemic or LXMI. I'm not sure what the brand is. This is a pure Nelakita melt. So I am not too sure what this is. It looks very interesting. It looks like a balm of some kind, which is what it says it is. It says it's 100% organic, vegan, cruelty-free, single ingredient balm, is the ultimate skin survivor. Keep it on hand and on your hands to quench dryness wherever, anytime. So I'm assuming that this is a lotion for your hands. This is awesome. My hands are super dry right now. I've been washing them a lot at work because I deal with money, so I wash them a lot and they get super dry. So this is something I'm definitely going to stick in my purse and take it to me with work. That is a $28 value if you purchase this at their store. All right, and then the last thing I have in here is from Finding Fredland. This is a $30 value. It is a lipstick, and it is in the color Natural. So basically it has like this little thing that you clip up here. Let me see here. Let me put this down. This is, again, a $30 value. So you push that in, push that out. There we go. And here is the lipstick. There. It is like a nude color lipstick. Let me go ahead and swatch that. Oh, it's very nude. That's a very nude lipstick, but very pretty. Doesn't have a smell to it. So that would be something that a lot of people can get use out of if they like to wear like super nude type of lipsticks throughout the week instead of wearing like really dark bold ones. That's really pretty. It's not a matte lipstick at all. It's kind of a sheer with a little bit of shine to it. So that's an awesome little lipstick there. So that was everything that I got in my Ipsy box. My Ipsy box added up to $156 this month, which is an awesome value. I paid $25 for the month for all 5 of these products, and I'm super excited with everything that I got in my Ipsy box this month. So let's go ahead and see if Boxycharm did any better. So I'm going to go ahead and swoop around here and pick up my Boxycharm box. So here we go. Boxycharm this month is called Afterglow. Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription, and they recently added taxes. So you're going to be paying a little bit of taxes recently if you haven't already. All right, so the first thing I have here is from Pharmacy. It is Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleaner. So it is a facial cleaner. I have used a few things from Pharmacy, and I think that the brand is awesome. I love stuff from Pharmacy, so this is one that I'm really excited to give a try. This is $22 if you purchase it on your own. And then the next thing we have here is from Touch of Soul. It is the No Pore Balm Primer. It looks like this. I've actually been testing this out for the last week. Unfortunately, this doesn't work as well as I would want it to on my face. I do have a oily T-zone, and I thought maybe it would help kind of, you know, tame my oiliness in my T-zone, and it really doesn't. So this is one that I'll definitely pass on to my daughter because she loves this kind of primers. It's a good primer, it just doesn't work well with my oily skin. So this is a $18 value if you purchase this on your own. All right, the next thing I have here is from Tresisse, I think that's how you say it. This is a lip balm, a primer and glaze lip crayon. So it's a 2-in-1 lip duo featuring a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. So the primer is right here, which is just the balm here. You can see that. Doesn't have any smell to it. And then on this side is going to be your lipstick balm. Let's go ahead and swatch that and see what that looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty color as well. So that's really nice. Oh, and it has a magnetic closure. So that's really awesome. This is a $25 value. And then the next thing we have here, which I'm always excited to get, is from Too Faced. It is the Better Than Sex mascara. I am happy to have another tube of this. I know a lot of people don't like this. This is one of my favorite mascaras, so whenever I can get my hands on it, I do. I'm always happy when I get free ones. So yes, I'm super excited about this. This is a $24 value. If you haven't tried Better Than Sex, it's something to give a try if you don't mind spending the $24. But it's a great mascara. Again, one of my favorite mascaras. So $24 value for that. And the last thing I have in my box is from Pretty Vulgar. It is the Shimmering Swan Highlight, and it is called Shimmering Swan. It is in 41 glows of BS. That's an interesting name for that. So that's kind of a lighter color. Let me just go ahead and do a little swatch here. Let's see. It seems like it might. It feels like it's a little dry. I don't know if you can see it there, but we'll see how it works on the skin. Again, I might not be keeping this, so I was just watching it. But that is a $32 value if you bought that in the store. So my Boxycharm box added up to $121 this month, which again is not a bad price. I paid $21.99 now because of the shipping for Boxycharm. So I think that the stuff that I got for $25 from Ipsy this month was a better box. Just for me this month, I think they did a better job of putting stuff together in a more cohesive way. Boxycharm always does a really good job, and this box was just a little bit of a hit and a miss for me. I love the mascara. I'm gonna be enjoying the facial cleanser. The lipstick is kind of an for me. The primer didn't work as well as I would like it to on my face, and the highlighter is an okay one for me. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too light for my skin. So I think that Ipsy is the clear winner for me this month. Let me know down in the comments which one you think is the winner this month. All right guys, that was my unboxing for the month of February. Hopefully next month I will be super fast and I will have it up a lot earlier. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.